Sausage gravy recipe. This is going to be good. Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. The first thing we're going to do is take some of our broken up breakfast sausage and put it in a nice hot pan. We're going to brown this on all sides while stirring, getting it nice and ready for our gravy sauce. Now, I like to use a wooden spoon when doing this so as not to damage my pan. You might consider doing the same. Just keep moving that meat around. As you can see, the pink is going away, and this is where you want to be. Perfect. Now we're going to take flour. This is a third cup. Depending on the amount of meat you use, you're going to adjust that. What you want to do is just cover all of the sausage pieces with the flour, and you're going to want to soak up all of the oil that sausage released. This is going to do a couple things. It's going to cook that flour so it doesn't have that hard flour taste, and it's going to make sure that it sucked up all that oil. Now we're going to add a cup of milk to our mixture. We're going to warm this up, bring it to a nice boil. It's going to look a little loose. Don't you worry. After about 3 minutes, it's going to have a nice thick consistency. If it gets too thick, as I did here, just add a little bit more milk. Don't worry. It's going to be great. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt and a couple grinds of pepper here. Do this to taste. Stir this up. As you can see, this is getting nice and thick. You don't want to leave this alone. It will burn at the bottom of your pan. Make sure to stay real close. All right, I lowered my heat a little bit now as we're getting nice and thick. Would you look at that? How many of you like sausage and gravy with your biscuits? It's one of my all-time favorites. We're going to check our spoon here. As you can see, it's sticking nicely. And then once it does, we're going to adjust our seasoning. I like a lot of pepper with my sausage gravy. A little bit extra salt here. Mix that in. And look how easy this is, folks. Tell me you can't do this at your house. I know you can. Look at it. Beautiful. Now these are my biscuits. There's going to be a link up at the right-hand side if you'd like to know how I make mine homemade from scratch. Pour your gravy on and you are good to go.
Thank you for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to receive updates on future episodes as they come out. Also consider becoming a Patreon, or if you'd like, purchase me a cup of coffee. Links in the description below.